Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back another buying $1 of Bitcoin every day update. Today is day number 467. Okay, so here we are on Cash App. This is the app that I use to invest $1 in Bitcoin every day. Let's go ahead and hop to the investment section. We got stocks and Bitcoins. Let's be on the Bitcoin tab. Quick note, if you sign up using my link in the description, we can both get $5 for free. There'll also be a link for Robinhood down there, and if you sign up using that, you can get one free stock valued up to $500. Okay, so we've got Bitcoin at $9,581. Let's go ahead and zoom out to the week view. So we're down a little bit on the week. Keep zooming out here. Still up 42% over the last month. Interesting pattern going on here. Kind of resembles a little bit of a head and shoulders. You can look up what head and shoulders is, but like this would be the left shoulder. This would be the head. This would be the right shoulder. But we'll still have to see how this plays out right there. But generally, when this pattern forms, the price will be moving downwards. Let's go to the 1 year. So we're still kind of in a bear market. You know, we've had a good run up right here. We just got to see how this plays out. I still think the best strategy is dollar cost averaging, like what I'm doing here. So let's go ahead and buy today's Bitcoin. I'm going to tap buy. Remember, we have recurring purchases. I have a tutorial video on that if you want to check that out. But in the last video, I did $10 just to kind of show how that works. So today we're only going to do 4. I do 7 a week, so that balances it out. So we'll tap 4, tap next, scan my fingerprint. It's going to give us our order details. And I'm going to tap confirm. And tap done. The fees seem kind of small on that actually. Let's go to the order details here. You can see the fee was only 12 cents. That's not bad. You know, they changed their fee structure on here a lot, so it's hard to follow it. I wonder what it is if I do $1. So the fee for a $1 purchase is 3 cents. So 3%, and we still paid about 3%. So yeah, that's kind of a lot actually. It doesn't seem like much, but it definitely adds up. You know, you got to beat that 3%. But anyways, I've got $616.29 in here. Let's go ahead and do the math on this. So 616.29 divided by 467 days equals a 1.319x on my investment. So about a 1.32x, just dollar cost averaging Bitcoin over the last year plus. Doing pretty good, proving that dollar cost averaging is an effective method. I'm still excited about Bitcoin. There's been some sort of negative people about it lately saying, you know, Bitcoin isn't a real asset, it's nothing, it holds no value. I just don't think that's true. Bitcoin is like the OG badass digital internet asset, and the internet is like the biggest thing to happen in the last 30 years, so you kind of can't knock it. But that's it for today's video. I'm just going to keep buying $1 every day. We got about 0.064 Bitcoin in here now. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. Also check out the Cash App playlist with hundreds of tutorials and experiments. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay, don't blame your problems on the past. Go hard, you might win.